Yo, what is going on, guys? Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. In today's video, we're going to be going through some low content book ideas, and these are all going to be with aiming for around 100 reviews or less, as this means these books are easy to compete with, and it should be easy for you to get onto the first page. And we're also hoping for ranks in sort of the top 40,000 ideally on Amazon.com, or if you're on Amazon.co.uk, you need the rank to be even higher than that because just because of the amount of different sales on there. And all of these I've just found in about 2 minutes worth of work using Bookbeam. So this just shows you how easy it is. And I'm going to show you quickly the criteria I used here on Bookbeam. Very, very simple. I simply put in US marketplace, self-published, bestseller rank between 100 and 100,000. And the keyword I used was just activity. And as you can see, it's shown me almost 600 different books. And it shows you the monthly income of each, the sales of each, and the BSR of each. So it's really, really useful. Obviously, you don't have to get it because it does cost money every month. And if you don't want to pay for it, then of course you can just watch my videos, which is also fine. But yeah, let's go straight into the first book. No messing around. The first one is going to be a maze book. And what I also did with these niches is I made sure they were not Christmas themed because obviously it's already sort of the start of December. So by the time you watch this video, you go to make these books, it's going to be too late for this Christmas anyway. So these are sort of books that you can make right now instead of books that are just for Christmas. So this is Macys for kids aged 4 to 8. Nice little description here, pretty good. And you can see the BSR is 1,600, so it's making them between $200 and $374 per day. Usually this is a bit inaccurate. Usually I find it's about double, honestly. So it's probably making between 130 to, let's say, 175. That would be half of that. But you can see the book is only 6 months old, so really, really good. The rank is doing really well. Let's open this graph up here for you. When it loads, as you can see, we can put it to 1 year, and it's been doing pretty well since it was launched almost, so since June. So I'm sure they've got a few ads on this one, but definitely it's a great book that you can make. And there's a lot of software out there that can help you make mazes, a lot of it copyright free as well. You can see these ones are pretty inventive. So yeah, they've gone for high quality, but they've got the reward from it. So that is the first one. Let's go on to the second niche now. And this is going to be an ice hockey activity book for kids. So you can see they've put it in the correct category. There's only 17 reviews, so really, really easy to compete with. And as you can see, nice title. They've got a lot of good keywords in there. So they've got hockey, they've got ice hockey, activity, coloring, ice hockey fans, story, mazes, word search, design challenges, and more. The cover's really good as well. Definitely looks like an ice hockey book. And you can see the interior as well. They've gone to a good bit of effort for it. So as you can see, they've been rewarded. The BSR is 2,800 right now. Maybe it will die down a little bit, because people are probably buying this sort of thing for Christmas. But I'm sure that this book will continue to be selling really, really good. So as you can see here, even a rank of 15,000 is amazing. And it's making between 84 and 114. So if you half that to take probably the real number, it's probably between 40 and sort of $60 a day. So really, really good book. And that is the second one that we had right there. Now, the next one is going to be a coupon book for Valentine's Day. You can see this one is a Christmas themed one. So obviously this one is doing really good right now, but it's got no reviews and it's like a coupon book for couples. You can see 3,000 rank and 40 sales a day. And inside it's going to be really, really simple. You can make this probably in like an hour, right? So really, really simple cover. They've probably got a couple of Amazon ads on here, but that's what you need to succeed on Amazon these days anyway. You can see it's only 15 days old, but it's already, taken off in the algorithm. So if you were to start making some Valentine's Day ones, publish those, post those in January, and you're going to do really, really well. So that is another great idea. And you can see that even with no reviews, they're still getting a lot of sales. So next up, we've got a 2023 activity book. As you can see, again, this one has no reviews, but it's already selling really, really good. So BSR of 6,000, 28 to 34 sales a day, and good estimated royalties per day. The estimated royalties are a little bit low because the price of the book is a little bit low, but let's take a quick look inside, see just how easy it will be for you to make this. So this is what they've put inside it. They've put word search, color by number, coloring pages, spot the difference, crossword, Sudoku, connect the dots, word scrambles, mazes, and I am assuming they mean drawing. Yeah, so pretty simple book. Affirmations, word searches, these kind of things. Not too difficult to make, and you can see they've got a really good rank and they're making good royalties of this book. And now is a perfect time to make something like this, a 2023 activity book. And you can choose any sort of age range you want. Just make sure the interior is designed for that purpose. So let's go down onto the next one. This is going to be like a God-themed or Bible-themed activity book. Okay, we skipped ahead there. And as you can see, this one does have a lot of ratings, but it has been around for a while, like more than almost 2 years now. So this is really good. I'm sure inside it's going to be really, really well made just by looking at the cover. And it's got a lot of cool stuff, definitely custom made. But if you can put some time in, you can put some effort into it, then, and you know what you're making, you know your target audience, you know that these people want Bible related things, then you're going to do really, really well. So you can see the rank is 7,000. They're making between $66 and $79 per day. Like I say, if we half that, it's probably realistically $30 to $40 per day. So really, really good book there. Again, let's go on to the next one. The next one is a retirement activity book. So you can see this one, only 38 reviews, but it's still selling really good, making almost $100 per day. Let's take a look inside it, see what they've included. Retirement Survival Kit, Book 1, more puzzles and games. So let's see, they've got 50 puzzles and 125 different hobby and adventure ideas for the retiree. So really simple. There's only, 8 words in this word search. Retirement hobbies. This looks like sort of an unscramble the words. So let's try and do this. What would that be? Basketball. Comment below if you get these answers before me. This is going to be VATs, or what is this one going to be? This should be easy. VATs or TAS or TAVs or TAVs? TAVs? Oh, I honestly don't know. Let's not do it here. We're just going to get embarrassed. So you can see it's pretty simple, just for retirees. Put some retiree sort of words in here. And as you can see, it's doing really well. Rank of 10,000. And yeah, let's see how it does over the whole year as well. So you can see this book has sort of been selling since, you can see the rank improved around here, around August. So it took a little bit of time for this book to do well, and sometimes that happens. So sometimes you'll post a book and it'll take 6 months before it really takes off in the algorithm. So you can see from December all the way to May, June, which is about 6 months, it wasn't doing that well. You can see the rank down there was like 1 million, but then all of a sudden, boom, the algorithm accepts the book and it says, look, I want to promote you and I want to make you some sales. So you got to keep going with publishing. That's how it works. And the books you make, they might not be successful in the first month, but maybe in month 6 they will. So that's why you got to keep going. So the next one that we already saw was movie and TV crossword puzzles. Now, normally, you might think that you probably shouldn't publish something like this because of all the copyright related things of movies and TVs. But I'm pretty sure as long as you're only putting those sort of things inside the book and it's not in the title, it's not in the cover, you're not like putting Pokemon or Star Wars or something on the cover or on the title, you should honestly be fine. And you can see this book is printing a lot of money. They priced it really high at $19, 10,000 rank, and the estimated royalty $200 to $280. So really, really good. And you see the book is only a month old. Let's have a quick look inside it, see what is inside. Okay, so they got a lot of these sort of books, puzzles, baby boomer puzzles. So here we go, we've got some sort of crossword, and the answers follow on sort of the next page. So really, really good. Obviously some effort has gone into making it, but with only 5 reviews, it's already hit a rank of 10K, so that is absolutely awesome. Now let's go on to the next one. So we've seen that one. Next up, we had an anti-anxiety coloring or activity book, and as you can see inside, it's all related to cats. So people who love cats will definitely love this. So you can color in the little cat's face, you can color in the butterflies, you can probably write some stuff down, do some journaling, this kind of thing, tracing, designing, non-exhaustive productivity. You can see this is well made. There's a lot of thought gone into it, and the rank is doing pretty well. So cat-themed activity book or anxiety-themed activity book, you can see it's doing really, really good. Only 3 months old as well, and only with a small number of reviews. So if you can get past sort of the 10 reviews, you're golden really, and that is enough social proof for your book to start selling organically on its own. So the 9th one that we had right here is an airplane, or airplane as it's written here, activity book. And I think this is a book that people will take on road trips or plane trips. And as you can see, 65 ratings, and the rank is 12,000, making between $29 or $36 a day, only 7 months old. And remember, another way that you can find niches that I love to do is just to be clicking on author names so you can see what their best books are. Oh, and this is actually by the same person who we had this ice hockey activity book. So definitely these guys have got some good ideas, some good interiors. And yeah, that's another way to find niches that a lot of people just seem to skip over. So definitely a great one. We've got a lot of keywords in here. Let's look at some of the main ones. I guess activity book, aeroplane, kids, they've got the age group, travel activity book, road trip, family fun, travel gift, another great keyword, activities for boys, girls, and then they've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if anybody types in anything related to these, this book is going to show up. So that's really, really good. 65 ratings, as you can see down here. Okay, so it's not suitable for 5-year-olds, but that's perfectly fine, just according to one reviewer. And yeah, let's go on to the 10th one. So this is going to be a little bit harder, but I actually debated making one of these myself. All you need to do is find a good illustrator, find somebody who knows how to draw this stuff on Upwork. As you can see, I've got the tab open right there for all of my books being written. Right now, I've got about 6 or 7 big projects being done right now. So that's going to improve or increase my royalties by around probably $1,000, $1,500 a month profit, because most of these books are going to be going on Ingram and also Audible via Findaway Voices. So that means that pretty much from all those books, there's no ad spend, and all that royalties is going to be profit. So as you can see, 100 reviews. This is sort of a how to draw book, how to draw a bunch of different things. And yeah, it's obviously a lot of effort has gone into it, but you could probably get somebody to make this for you on Upwork for probably a couple hundred, $200, $300. And if you can make, $60 a day, it's definitely worth it. It's not super easy, but it's not super easy. It's probably not the first book that you would make if you're new to KDP. But once you get some experience, you know what you're doing, you know how to launch a book, you follow the things in my course and on my channel, then you'll know how to succeed with these kind of books. So that covers all the 10 niches that we wanted to go over for this video. These are all low content books found with Bookbeam. So we had Maze book, we had an ice hockey, we had coupon books, we had a 2023 book, God or Bible related activity books, retirement, movie trivia, anti-activity or anti-anxiety should I say. We had an aeroplane activity book and how to draw kawaii, and that goes into its own bunch of different things. You got how to draw a ton of different niches. So if you just type that in on Amazon, we can even do that right now just to show you how to draw. And you can see there's a bunch of different things you can do, especially if you've got this Chrome extension, which is the Amazon suggestion expander, how to draw all these different things, right? Obviously don't do anything that's copyright like Pokemon or Roblox, but all the others are free game. How to draw 101 cute stuff, how to do anatomy, how to draw for boys. These are all great niches that you can publish in. And yeah, if you do want to go to the next level, then check out my course, the Low Content Elite Society. It's currently $597, but it's going to teach you how to get past your first $1,000 a month profit. And it's going to teach you how to do that with audiobooks, with storybooks, with a royalty split approach, and with a ton of other methods such as publishing on Ingram Spark, and just things that a lot of people don't do and don't know how to do, and little tricks and little tactics. So if you do want to invest in yourself, you want to improve your publishing account, you want to be able to maybe sell your business in the future, then definitely check it out. If you've got any questions, just message me or email me or comment below. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.